Okay, to start, you're gonna have two pieces. You have the hardware and you'll have your soft good. Unclip the hardware and unfold this. You'll just wanna line up when you push out the sides, line this up with the exterior down here so that it lines up with the open hole. Then you'll wanna just clip this shut. On the bottom, you'll see indentations, and you're just gonna wanna line up the bottom of the soft good with the straps that hold it up tight on there. Pull your soft good over, a little bit like a pillowcase. And then just line up your straps with the indentations.